wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bra wash bags. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The mdesign laundry pouch measure 6.3 inches in diameter and stand 5.5 inches high, providing ample room. They lie flat when open and have elastic hoods to keep the pull tabs from flapping around in the machine. These are made of a fine weave micro mesh, and you get 4 with each order. However, they could be sturdier. At number 9, the breathable kimmama washing sack are thoughtfully designed. The fine net material allows soapy water to penetrate the pouch while keeping fuzzballs from attaching to your lacy undergarments. These have a 7-inch diameter and loops for hanging, but the zippers are unreliable. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Jellycomb silicone protector come in a half-sphere design and cradle your undergarments gently. The push-button fasteners snap along the edges to provide a secure closure. These are resistant to rust and mildew and safe for the dryer. However, they may catch on other clothing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bra wash bags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, made from a reinforced polyester with double stitching, the tenrai laundry set can stand up to frequent use. Each has wide interior straps and a ribbon loop so you can hang them to dry. They're equipped with reliable closures and also suitable for storage, but they can only hold one bra at a time. Moving up our list to number 6, the Honey Can Do LBG01147 have 2 compartments, so you can add a pair of stockings or matching panties to the load. They come with a zipper closure to keep everything inside. These have a tight weave that prevents snagging and water flows through easily. They're equipped with metal zipper pulls. Halfway up our list at number 5, thanks to built-in plastic frames and a roomy construction, the plusmart mesh are a good choice for large cup sizes. The set comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee, along with a year's replacement promise if there's any issue with quality. These feature rust-resistant closures and soft, durable netting, and they're 30% larger than standard size. At number 4, the woolite extra large feature an antimicrobial coating to prevent odors and mildew. The reinforced sides ensure they keep their shape, and the double-layered netting allows sudsy water to circulate freely. These can help prevent shrinking and fading, and are suitable for pads and underwires. They can hold up to 5 at a time. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the simple housewares 3-pack prevent your bras from getting wrapped around the agitator during the spin cycle. A double layer of micro mesh covers the sturdy plastic frame. These can accommodate 2 undergarments and hold cup sizes A through D. They have a center opening for easy access. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bra wash bags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Laundry Science Premium Nest have small nubs inside to facilitate the cleaning process. Made of durable nylon with a hooded zipper, they can help extend the life of your sports bras, bikini tops, and full coverage lingerie. There's room for 2 bras at a time, and they come with a no questions asked guarantee. They're also suitable for washing face masks. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Bagail travel set features 4 soft sacks for storing in drawers, packing in a suitcase, or laundering in a machine. Each is made from polyester with a honeycomb-shaped weave that allows water and soap to flow freely. The set includes 2 regular and 2 large bags with color-coded closures and zipper pull covers to prevent snags. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bra wash bags, or simply click beneath this video.